Two accounting giants. One big showdown, which one truly works for your business? On the left, QuickBooks, the industry heavyweight trusted by millions. And on the right, Wave, the free, user-friendly contender shaking up the game. We're testing them in real scenarios that matter, features, pricing, ease of use, support, and more. Let's move past all the hype and get into what actually counts. Each round will award points, and at the finish, you'll see which platform really deserves your time and money. The winner might surprise you. Let's get into it. Okay, before we dive into the details, here's the game plan. We're going to look at price, features, ease of use, support, integrations, and security. Yeah, it's a lot, but trust me, by the end you'll know exactly which one fits you best. Let's kick things off with price. So, with QuickBooks, you pay a monthly fee, and if you want those snazzy add-ons or more users, it can start adding up. Some might say it's kinda a classic software subscription move. But you know what's wild? Wave is actually free for their core stuff. I know, right? No hidden fees, just some charges if you process payments or run payroll. So, for price, Wave definitely takes the crown if you're budget conscious. Moving on to features. Now, QuickBooks is pretty stacked here. Think advanced reports, inventory tracking, all the bells and whistles. You even get tools for payroll and taxes, which is super handy if you're scaling up. But I gotta admit, if you're super small, some of those options might feel a bit much. Wave, on the other hand, keeps it simple. You get solid essentials for invoices, expenses, and receipts, but not much beyond that. So if you need those power user features, QuickBooks clearly comes out swinging in this round. But what about ease of use? Okay, QuickBooks does walk you through the setup, and it's pretty modern, but let's be real. Some of those advanced features can be intimidating. Wave, though? Super straightforward. The whole vibe is keep it simple, which freelancers and solopreneurs totally love. If you need accounting without the headache, Wave is hard to beat here. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Wave actually started in Canada? And even now, they're still totally free for small businesses all over the world. That's a serious commitment to being accessible. Alright, let's talk support. QuickBooks really goes the extra mile with 24/7 live chat, phone help for most plans, and a massive help center. But, well, if you're on a cheaper plan, the phone support can be a little spotty. Wave's a little more old school, mostly email support and some forums. No live chat, no instant fixes, so if you want your handheld, QuickBooks is your guy. How about integrations? I mean, this is honestly where QuickBooks just runs laps over 650 compatible apps. Banking, e-commerce, payroll, the works. That could be a game changer if you have lots of tools already. Some do cost extra, so keep that in mind. But Wave, it really just covers the basics. Think PayPal, a few bank feeds. If you want to connect anything beyond the essentials, it's just pretty limited. Last up, security. And guess what? Both are packed with reliable stuff like encryption, two-factor authentication, all that. Nothing super out of the ordinary on either side, so you're in pretty safe hands no matter which one you go with. If you stack these two up side by side on everything from price to integrations, you'd see some dramatic differences, and maybe a few spots where they're actually neck and neck. Some categories are total landslides, others are closer than you'd think. So, what's the final word? If you're looking for tons of features and want to grow without switching apps, QuickBooks is the way to go. But if you just need the basics, especially if you're freelancing or running a tiny biz and you don't want to spend a dime, Wave is honestly a dream. If you found this helpful, follow for more side-by-side business software breakdowns. Seriously, you don't want to miss out on the next